Hello guys, in this video let's read records or items from Azure Cosmos DB into our Visual Studio C#. And if you see, we are in Azure portal and we have this Cosmos DB, that is test database. And if I expand this, we have this C users container, and if we check the items, and here there are 4 items in this container. And now let's try to read these 4 items in Visual Studio C#. So guys, we are in Visual Studio and this is the same code which we created in our earlier videos, and it's simple straightforward code. So basically this is the connection string to connect to our Azure Cosmos DB. Then we created Cosmos client using the connection string, and then we created Cosmos container using Cosmos client. And guys, using Cosmos container we can create new items, we can update item, we can delete item, and we can read the items. And now let's read records from Azure Cosmos DB. So first let's write that SQL select star query. So we'll say where SQL query is equal to, I'll say select star from C. And guys, this is the same query which we always execute in our Azure portal. So for example, if I go to portal, here you can see this select star from C. And guys, as of now we are selecting all the records, but of course we can add where condition as well. And now let's create query definition using this SQL query. So let's say where query definition is equal to new query definition, and to this let's provide this SQL query. And now let's create FeedIterator, and basically data which is retrieved from Azure Cosmos DB, it will be available in this FeedIterator. So I'll say where is equal to, I'll say Cosmos container dot get item query iterator, and it will be of type user, and to this let's provide this query definition. And now let's read records from this FeedIterator in loop. So we'll say while FeedIterator dot has more results, and here I will say where FeedResponse is equal to FeedIterator dot read next async, and to this let's add await. In simple words, consider this FeedIterator as a big set of data which is retrieved from Azure Cosmos DB, and this FeedResponse as a subset of this data. And basically we will iterate over this FeedResponse, that is this subset of data, and then we can actually see the contents of the records retrieved from Azure Cosmos database. And let's do that. So I will say for each where user in FeedResponse, and let's say where user name is equal to user dot name, and I will also say where city, or I will say user city is equal to user dot city. So again, basically consider this FeedResponse as a collection of class user instances, and it will contain the data which we have retrieved from Azure Cosmos DB. So that's it guys. Let's simply add a debugger on this line number 24, and let's run our program. So let's click on run. And you can see the debugger has been hit, and let's quickly check the contents of this variable user. So if I take my mouse to this user instance, and if I expand this, see first record, it says Harshal Jain, city Mumbai. Okay, let me press F10 2 times, and again if I check the contents of this variable user again, See, it says second record for Neil Johnson and city is equal to London, and this is exactly the same data which we have in our Azure Cosmos DB. So for example, if we check it, see this first record is Harshal Jain, city Mumbai, and if I check the second record, see name Neil Johnson and city is equal to London.